Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Danvers. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 25 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. This completely redesigned boat. First time we're seeing it here in the showroom right before our Whaler event. So let's take a quick walk through so we can all see it. Boat carries a lot of similar dimensions to the 24, although it is a little bit bigger than the boat that it replaced. Back is the activity tower, which you have a wakeboard and a ski point. The upgraded all new 300 horsepower V8 engine. Gone is the big bench seat, so now we have two individual seats that fold out of the way. You have an optional Livewell here in the middle. 5-gallon pail storage, great storage in the drawers. Nice wide Helm seat. As we move forward, Whaler's innovative integrated hardtop helps increase your walkway through by the console. Got a nice 12-inch display, as well as your smart craft, glove box, and everything else that you need. As we move forward, some of the newer things that this boat offers. Got a nice storage area and lounger, plenty of room for everyone. Rods go into your head compartment. Nice seat back, so we have multiple people facing forward. Little fish box slash cooler up in the bow, as well as your bow anchor. Your head access is on the port side. This boat is equipped with a porta potty with pump out. A little deeper hull, great features. Make the 25 Dauntless can be one of the best options to keep you on the water. It does fall into the bay boat category, but there is enough hull to run offshore. If you're interested in this boat or any of the boats that we sell, my name is Dan Thompson. You can be reached on my cell phone at 978-375-1584. Look forward to seeing you down here.